The EGMA ND10-PRO 10 diagnostic tool is a cutting-edge device to meet the demands of both professional mechanics and DIY car enthusiasts, supporting advanced protocols such as CANFT and DoIP. This professional diagnostic tool ensures compatibility with a wide range of modern vehicles. Database covering more than 180 US, Asian, European, and Chinese car brands. Its ability to perform full system diagnosis, providing the topological graph of the whole vehicle, clearly display the vehicle communication network and locate the fault point quickly. Along with 33 maintenance functions, such as maintenance light reset, throttle matching, battery reset, injector coating etc., and 3 years free updates, makes it a versatile and powerful tool for car maintenance and repair. One of the standout features of the ND10-PRO 10 is its bidirectional control and active test capabilities. This allows users to interact with vehicle systems in real time, enabling tasks such as ECU coding and advanced diagnostics. This professional diagnostic tool equipped with a 2.0 GHz for 4 high-efficiency CPU and 4 GB for memory and 128 GB for storage. This device has dual cameras, with an 8 million pixel front camera and a 12 million pixel rear camera, battery capacity of 9,360 mAh. The powerful hardware enables this device operates at remarkable speed, ensuring smooth and efficient car diagnosis.